we're gonna have a sub n plus something
Alright.
equals 3 times a sub n minus 1 plus the same thing.
Plus x.
This plus something, y. Alright?
Okay.
So make it look like this. If we can match this to that, and then we're actually creating another sequence, right?
Wait, how come you didn't match it again?
How?
Oh wait, no, I get it. Oh, because that's saying, oh yeah.
Yeah, this is a constant, right?
Yeah.
So this number, well, if we can find a number that that'll make this equivalent to that,
Then you just have
so that this number would not be affected, it's independent of n.
Yeah.
Right? So if you write a sub n or a sub n minus 1 or a3, a4, whatever, that will always stay as a constant, right? The same
Right.
number.
So you can say that's b of n.
Yeah, we can do that, right?
So a.
So, but now I'm gonna try to find out what x should be, what y should be.
Yes.
Right.
Alright.
So we'll say a sub n equals 3 a sub n minus 1, and move this over to the other side, and we get 3x here, so that's 2x plus y,
Same thing.
alright? Because we're matching this
To like a b of n.
with this, right?
Oh yeah.
This does match it, but this part is not equal to 4. So if we let something not right here. So we said this is x.
Maybe extra variable. No need for y. Oh yeah, no need for y here.
Yeah, actually we let y equals to 0, right?
Wait, how come?
So because if you let this equal to 0, we can only deal with 2x,
Okay.
right?
Wait,
So-
how come?
It works when this is 0.
Why not just get rid of y entirely?
Because the extra part is just a number, right?
Yeah.
So this is a number. That 3 times x is also a number,
Yeah.
right? Because there's one number for us to match.
Okay.
So we need one variable to match it, all right?
Yeah.
So we gotta make 2x plus y equal to 0. Well, let's set y as 0 so that we just don't add it to here. So then we only need to match this with that. 2x equals 4, and then in this case x equals 2,
Yeah.
right? So we get a sub n plus 2 equals 3 times a n plus 2.
Wait, how come? Well, what's the point of y in this one? If there's
In this one?
Yeah.
So actually we don't need that one. That one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's only a
Because we need one variable, right? In
You
here,
only-
because this is the only thing we have to match.
You only need one variable for this one, right?
Yeah.
Since there's 2 terms.
Yeah, because that's the only thing we need to match, right?
Yeah. So back there was 3 terms, so you needed 2 variables.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So now this is how it's matched.
Equals.
If we set b of n or b sub n equals a sub n plus 2, then what is our a sub n? A sub 1 right there is 2, so that our b sub 1 equals a sub 1 plus 2, that'll be 4,
Oh yeah. Okay.
right? Or b sub 1 is 4.
Wait, so b sub 1 is yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Since a is 2, right?
So, well, we can write this as b sub n equals 3b sub n minus 1, right? Oh, well, we're familiar with this one.
Yes.
So the formula for that is b sub n equals 3 to the power of something times b sub 1. Since there are n minus 1 terms, so going from here, we should also get n minus 1.
Wait, what?
So we're changing this to that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So b sub n, so we have a 3 here.
Yeah.
Because this equals to 3 times b sub n minus 2, right?
Yeah.
So you keep doing that, and until this reaches 1, right? You're going from n minus 1 to 1,
And
so then you
one.
gotta go from 1 to n sub 1 to match.
So all of them are gone except for this one.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah, okay, I see.
yeah, that's how it goes, right? So
Yes.
this equals to this times
If you
this
list
n
it.
minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Or, and then if you delete that, you add a 3 here, then this becomes n minus 3, right?
Oh,
So
wait.
if you keep going, eventually, this is gonna hit it b sub 1.
So even if you just looked at it, you could probably find that out. Since you just like subtract everything, n
Yeah.
minus 1.
Yeah. So this matches that,
Yes.
alright? And because we know b sub 1 is 4, we can change that to 4. Okay? Alright, and here we have this equals to a sub n plus 2, right?
Yeah.
So this is a sub n plus 2. Move 2 over to the other side. We get a sub n equals to that. A sub n equals to t sub n plus n.
So we need to solve another one.
Yeah, t sub
Okay.
n plus n. Move this over to the other side. Minus
Oh.
n. Or just
Which
do
is
that.
also equal to t of n minus n.
So
Like plus n.
really, I would write the
T of n
write
is
this-
equal to.
kind of this format. Right, minus n
Minus
minus
2.
2. So if our calculations are all correct,
It should work.
that should be the answer, right? So let me try 1, because if I say t sub 1, then that would be like 4 times 3 to the power of 0 here, that's 1. So minus 1 minus 2,
Just 1 and that's
that
right.
is 1, right?
And try 2.
So let's see, well, because we know what that is, we can try t sub 2, then equals 3 times 1
Plus.
plus, because this is 2,
4.
right? That's 5,
Yeah, 5.
Right.
8.
so equals 8.
And using this
And
one.
from here, t sub 2,
4
4
times
times 3
Oh, it works.
minus 2
minus 2.
minus 2, that's 12 minus 4.
8.
Yeah,
It works.
yeah, it should work, right?
Is there this stuff in Math 20?
This?
Yeah.
Not really.
Okay.
Yeah, not really math 20. Yeah. I just wanted you to see this because this is a thing in some math competitions.
Oh, AMC,
Yeah. They would have some sequences.
there's a lot of stuff like this, I think.
Yeah, there's some sequences. So I want you to understand, or at least to get used to how this is done.
Would I have enough time to list this entire thing out on the paper?
So if you want to go quicker, then it'll really help if you can remember things like a sub n equals what we had before is like a naught times
Q.
q to the power n.
Yeah.
Right, something like this, or in the other format we had this.
How do you
Okay.
solve questions that are
So-
like,
This times like d times q to the power of n minus 1, q minus 1.
Yeah.
This will help. This will help.
Yes. I think I've remembered this almost.
Yeah, this will help.
Wait, I have a question. How do you solve questions with I'll write that down. I think I've written it down somewhere. Well, I usually write a sub 1. Usually.
Yeah, that could work. So if this is 1, this should be a minus 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one less term. So that becomes minus 1, minus 1.
Oh yeah, that's what I wrote, yeah.
Ah.
So